Good afternoon, everybody. It's Friday afternoon and wow, the river is really almost overflowing up to the path. But I thought I would just do a short video. I hope your minds are not as muddy and racing as the river. So remember to breathe, just calm your mind. And of course, today I have not one, but if they've gone, I have two doggies here. Darcy. Come on, Darcy, yeah. No, we're not going down into the water. It's too muddy. Come on, Darcy. Come on. There's Darcy and there's Floyd. Come on, Floyd. Floydie. Two doggies today. Come on. They're hiding, right. Come on, Floyd. There's Floyd. Come on. And Darcy. I've got Floyd, he's come for his holidays for the week. Darcy I've just got for the weekend, so we're going to fun and games. So I'm just taking them for a wee walk on my lovely river walk. I'm coming to my nice bridge. There's Floyd striding ahead there, Darcy holding back. Now although it's dull and it's been raining, obviously with the river rising, you can hear it. Too fast flowing. Don't want the doggies to go in there because they'd get lost. Just walk on. Floyd, come on, Floyd. Here, here, come on. Floyd, here. There we are. Retreat, retreat. There we are. And you want one as well, Darcy? I mean, good doggies. Floyd, hey Darcy. I'm getting them mixed up now. So there we are, a few dogs in the park today, and now you can hear my voice echoing in the under the bridge. And this is towards, by this time you all know, this is towards the lovely words carved into the column of the bridge. Heart's ease. Heart's ease. But it's still quite nice, even although it's been raining. The rain's off just now. Not even that soft rain which wets you. But you can now see that some of the trees, instead of the luscious green, they're turning to golden. It's beautiful. I like the colours of autumn, I must say. And I'm hoping to post up later this afternoon my two radio interviews. One was with Kate Delaney on, and one is on with Benji Cole. So I hope you tune in to social media. I'll put them up, I think, on my YouTube channel as well. And it was fantastic to be interviewed actually by people in the United States. And of course, if you've been watching my social media, I've actually been asked for two books. Well, one book, I have to choose which one to be adapted to film, so that's exciting news. So if you sign up to join my Mind Circles community, you will keep hearing about up-to-date progress. I know it takes a while for any film to be produced because the book's got to be turned into a screenplay, but I was chosen, I came I think within the first 3 to be chosen to be turned into a film, so that's really exciting. So I'll keep you all updated, and I'm just going to dawdle along just now. And remember, just stay calm, everybody, and not like Darcy there, they're both deciding to have a good rush and a run. But don't you bother having that. Just keep yourself calm and have a fabulous day and a fabulous weekend. And I'll speak to you later. Okay, bye.